but I think the most substantive point he made over there is look at the film, since we're talking about the films. आप बनाइए चक्का जाम इमाम, nobody has a problem. You had धुरंधर, जहां पर जितने पाकिस्तानी मुसलमान थे उनको विलन दिखाया गया था. You had Kashmir Files, leave धुरंधर, there are Pakistanis. Kashmir Files, where it was shown that Kashmiri Muslims are all villains. You had the film Padmavat, where a lot of people had objections that the character of Ranveer Singh, because he was playing Alauddin Khilji, was deliberately shown almost like an animal. You know, he's eating raw flesh, he is raping women, he's behaving in the most disgusting fashion because you wanted to stereotype Muslims in that way. So this happens. It's creative freedom, and it's not like सिर्फ पंडितों के साथ ही हो रहा है, सिर्फ ब्राह्मणों के साथ ही हो रहा है, मुसलमानों के साथ भी हो रहा है.
Were they not? Whether the Kashmir Files about Kashmir Pandits, are we not aware of 1984, 1990? Whether the film Padmavat, Alauddin Khilji were so romanticized, whether Akbar was so romanticized, or they were just not glorified invaders, or they are just Hindus like Ghaznavi and Lodhi, like Hamid Ansari recently said, were Hindus looters. Were they not? They were. But the thing is, when the truth has been shown to the public at last, always be considered and bracketed under the tag which is known as propaganda. Kashmir Files, propaganda. Kerala Story, propaganda. Bengal Files, propaganda. But see, what is the target is? We were so much aware of Chak De India. And Chak De India, Kabir Khan has been shown as so much of national patriotic and being targeted because of Muslim, of Islamophobia. In truth and reality, the name of the person was Ranjan Negi. And he's been shown as Kabir Khan. And then when India won the match, the songs come, which is too much being known to us. Tija tera rang tha main to. The meaning is, I was your third color. Saying Muslim being always been appeased because Kabir Khan was always been targeted as a befriend of Pakistan. In that movie, they have been shown that. Coming on another point, we have so much been taught as Kafirs in a melodious manner. Like I said to the Qawwali of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, I always consider him a thankless and hypocrite artist. Why? The one of the Qawwali of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan is, जब चले हैदर की तलवार जरा सी देर में मैदान भरा काफिरों की लाशों से. What is mean by? छाप तिलक सब छोड़ गए रे मैं तो तुझे नैना मिला के. So these all the Sufis has been considered to be melodious to us.